RV screen door latches can wear out over time. The original handle often cracks after prolonged use, and today, that's exactly what happened. Safoner's all-aluminum latch is durable, solving that problem for good. Let's go ahead and replace the latch now. First, let's start by removing the old one. It's typically held in place by just 2 screws, top and bottom. Unscrew them, and the latch comes right off. Next, let's look at the door frame keeper. When removing it, notice the angled side faces outward. When installing the new keeper, make sure to keep the same direction. Now, for the outside door striker. Just remove the 2 screws and pay attention to the striker's direction. Make sure the new striker faces the same way as the original one. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: a full aluminum latch, a door frame keeper, an outside door striker, and 6 mounting screws. Both the keeper and striker have soft plastic backing, and the screws come with rubber washers. This helps cushion the force during installation and ensures a tight fit. Before you start, double-check that the latch is oriented correctly for your RV. Unlike most latches with plastic parts, this one's made entirely of aluminum for better durability. Installation is a breeze. Simply align the new latch with the old holes, screw it in, and you're done. The latch is now securely in place. Next, we install the door frame keeper. Make sure the angled side faces outward, just like the original keeper, and use the existing holes for installation. Finally, we install the outside door striker. Same method ensure the striker's direction matches the original, with the notched side facing down. Once everything's in place, let's check the latch. It fits perfectly with the keeper and striker. Great! Your new latch is ready to go. Grab your all-aluminum latch today. Link in the description.